Don't miss this step when solving this type of question. Look at the question. It's the WAEC 2026 theory question number 1. In this type of question, there are key things we need to look out for that will help us in the process of solving it. The word annually, do you know what it means? It means whatever is done is carried out year after year. The word annually means the same thing as the word yearly. Now, there's an increase by 8%. It means the payout of each year is different. The payout in a particular year is different from the payout in the year following it because of the word increase by 8%. Also, we have an amount that was paid out initially, $7,000 paid out in 2010. Now, going to the first question. We are to find donation given in 2012, which means that we'll be required to know the amount paid out in 2010, 2011, before we get to 2012. Now, solution. From the question, we already know the amount paid out in 2010. That is $7,000. To find out the amount paid out in 2011, we will be using this 7,000 as our starting principal. So how do we calculate the amount? We use the formula principal, open bracket, 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power of n. Our n is number of years. Our n for every year will be 1 because calculation is done annually. Now let's impute our values. This will give us $7,000 bracket 1 plus 8 over 100 raised to the power of 1. We know that 8 over 100 is 0.08. That is $7,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.08 raised to the power 1. This is $7,000 times 1.08. At this juncture, I'll be punching the calculator to get our value. So let's see what we'll get. 7,000 times 1.08. That gives us $7,560. So this is $7,560. That means that the amount paid out in 2011 is $7,560. We'll impute that here. $7,560. Now, going on to 2012, we know that it will amount to a different value. So for that year, we'll be using the amount for 2011 as our starting capital for 2012. So still using the formula for amount, which is equal to principal, open bracket, 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power of 1. Our principal this time around is $7,560, open bracket, we still get the same value, 1 plus 0.08. So this is $7,560 times 1.08. Punching the calculator again, what are we going to get? So this is $7,560 times 1.08. All right, so this gives us $8,164.80. So we'll transfer our value to the column for 2012. Let's bring it here. So we have $8,164.80. So can we answer the question? The question says donation given in 2012. So our answer to that is, our A answer is $8,164.80. This is the donation or the amount that was paid out in 2012. Can we go ahead to answer the B question? The B question says total amount of money donated from 2010 to 2013. If you like this video, please give us a follow and subscribe. How do we get the amount paid from 2010 to 2013? It will involve adding all the payouts in 2010 plus that of 2011 plus that of 2012 and 2013. But at the moment, we don't have the payout for 2013, so we'd have to calculate that. So what is the payout of 2013? We'll calculate it. Payout of 2013 is, we don't know it yet. Recall that the principal for 2013 will be the amount we obtained from 2012. So let's calculate that. So that is principal bracket 1 plus r over 100 raised to power 1. So what is this? That is $8,164.80. Open bracket is still the same 1.08 that we would get because we have a constant rate of increase. So this is 1.08. Let's punch our calculator to see what that will amount to. So we have $8,164.80 times 1.08. Wow, we have $8,817. Let's do that again. 8164.80 times 1.08. So what do I have? 8817.98. So I have 8817.98. So I'll be imputing the value here. 8817.98. So I have 8817.98. Total means we'll be adding up all the values we have obtained here. So let's add up everything to see what our total amount will be. We are starting with 7,000 plus 7560 plus 8164.80 plus 8817.98. So what do we have? We have, don't forget to put your units in your answer, 31542.78. So the total amount donated from 2010 to 2013 is $31,000, $31,542.78. Can you see how easy it was for me to solve this question? Because I knew what I needed to do. Also, I knew the formula to use. If there are questions you have that are confusing or you need clarification on, please do well to drop them in the comment section and we'll solve them together. Stay tuned for more episodes. Bye.